Hey, Gen Xers, just a quick update here on the MRI results that I got this morning. I'm leaving the orthopedist right now. She gave me two choices. One, have surgery. It's a torn meniscus, full-blown, all the way torn meniscus, cartilage in the knee. So anyway, get surgery or get a shot. That was my choice. And I talked to her a little bit. She said if you get the shot, you're ineligible for surgery for about 6 weeks. So I said, hey, can I get right back to what I've been doing? And I told her what I do after the shot. And she said, yeah, ineligible for surgery for 6 weeks. So I'm going to give it a shot for 6 weeks, and hopefully nothing else happens, and I can just go on my merry way here for quite a while anyway. So that's the big update. That means I'll be filming a jump rope workout video on Monday coming up. However, I'm going to take my own advice and I'm going to come back easy. So we'll probably be doing some beginner work on Monday, some body weight stuff, of course, but it's going to be a beginner style workout now because I've been out of the game for 3 weeks or something, I think. So I am in no shape right now to just jump right back in and go hard like I normally do. So we won't do that. All right, that's all. If you got a question, post it in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you on Monday. Later.